Two cuts, I'm back again. Self cut, mid skin fade. Let's go. Wait, hold on. Where my mask at? I'm only playing. Nah, bro, I can't be trimming the mask on. That's stupid. That's basically why it's stupid. But anyway, let's get to it. First thing I done was went in with no guard, lever closed. Just took out the bulk. To be fair, I think this one I didn't do it as a tutorial only because it gets too long, and I've seen my audience how long they stick around, and I thought, you know what, a tutorial does not make sense for this one. I'll let you enjoy this, man, but I'll talk you through a little bit. Just going through with no guard, lever closed, try to get that skin. I probably won't go in with a full I didn't go in with a full shaver on this one only because I couldn't see, man. I was struggling seeing in this one, especially doing self cuts. You know what, doing self cuts is hard, but I could do it anyway. I always do tapers, but mid skin fade for the camera, it ain't it, chief. So I plugged all my equipment, all my clippers, everything I used in this video. I tried to plug it in the description below. Here I'm just going in with my detailer. It just gets closer to zero without having to go in with a foil shaver, you know. Right here, I'm just debulking, so I'm just taking out some of the bulk with a 2.5. Let my hair grow out a little bit. I don't usually let my hair grow out like that. My cat's just looking at me like, bro, why is this guy talking to himself? Mufasa. Here I just have the lever open, no guard, taking it up a level, like 1/2 inch. Only reason for that is you create a new guideline. So here you can see I'm probably closing it, opening it, testing the surface, and then yeah, taking out that line. I've been on this content stuff, like I'm really trying to create content, and yeah, I'm enjoying it, man, but I'm still learning how to, you know, getting used to this game. Yeah, right here you see the one guard, lever open, creating a new guideline, going up about 1/2 inch again, and then I'm probably gonna lighten that spot with a 1, and then take that one out as well. Some more debulking. My last video, you know what, I'm glad we hit 4K views, bro. 4K views. Alhamdulillah, I'm grateful. And we hit 4K views, but 80% of my viewers weren't even subscribers. That means you're not pressing the thumbs up and the subscribe button, man. I'm enjoying doing this content, but you know, I'm trying to get my people to subscribe to my content, enjoy my content. Obviously, if you think it's worthy, subscribe, give it a like. Don't just view the thing and cut. Come on now. So like I said, taking out that guideline. Yeah, took out that guideline. It's not completely gone though. You see that a lot, especially with self cuts, man. Like, shout out to 360 Jeezy, Chris Bossy, these man, 4th Ken as well. Like, you know, doing self cuts for the camera. I've done self cuts all the time, but doing self cuts for the camera ain't easy, bro. It's a different ball game. Like, it's different, man. It's hard, especially for me. I stand up and do my haircut, and then suddenly I can't even place my camera anywhere high. So I'm like, you know what? Let me place it somewhere on the table. But then I had to grab a smaller chair and sit on that and adapt. And then I was getting frustrated, man. I can't even cap. But yeah, usually once I finish my haircut, I don't do my lineup. I usually wash my hair because it curls up and waves up a little bit. So I wash it, shampoo it, slap on a do-rag, and then once it's dried up, take it off, then I do my lineup. But yeah, I'm just taking it down with a 5 guard. Here, got the 3 guard on, taking down some of the bulk. You can see he's coming along though, you can see it. I still think there's room for improvement, but I mean, it's a self-cut and it's quarantine, man. This is probably the best. I could do better, but for the camera, this is good enough. Got the detailer taking off some of the hair off the neck. Here I've got my senior clippers, taking out some of the line. I'm getting really frustrated at this point, you know. Just detailed work, we're getting frustrated, you'll see it.
Can't see shit!
1 eternity later.
I'll keep posting regularly. Give it a like and subscribe. But yeah, man, the trim came out good. It's good enough. It's not bad. Yeah, you'll see my face because I ain't got a mask on. Nah, you ain't see my face. You can see my face, but not my face. You get me?